In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark on Google Slides. This process is straightforward and will help make your presentations more professional and secure. Let's get started. First, open your browser. If you are using Chrome, click on the Google Apps icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This icon looks like a grid of dots. Clicking it will reveal a menu of Google services available to you. It's a quick way to navigate to different Google applications without needing to type in each URL. You will see various options such as Google Drive, Gmail, and more. This is essential as it sets up your access to Google Slides where the watermark will be added. Next up, click on Slides from the menu. This will take you directly to Google Slides, a tool designed for creating engaging presentations. You will see a dashboard displaying your existing presentations and the option to create a new one. This step is crucial because it allows you to begin the process of editing your slides. Once you select Slides, you may notice a familiar interface if you've used Google applications before, which helps ease you into the task at hand. Now, open your presentation in Google Slides. If you have a specific presentation in mind, locate it in your list and click to open it. If you are starting from scratch, you can create a new presentation. You will see your slides appear on the left side of the screen. This is important because it is where you will add your watermark, ensuring it appears on every slide. After that, click on View in the top menu bar, then select Theme Builder. The Theme Builder option allows you to make changes to the overall design of your presentation. This feature is key for adding a watermark because it affects every slide at once, rather than needing to edit each slide individually. Once you click on Theme Builder, you will notice a new interface that allows for comprehensive editing of your presentation's design elements. With that ready, click on the very first slide at the top of the left-hand panel, known as the Slide Master. This is where you will set the template for your slides. Selecting the Slide Master is important since it serves as the foundation for all the slides in your presentation. Any changes made here will reflect throughout your entire presentation, making it a vital step for adding your watermark seamlessly. Now, insert your watermark content. This could be text, an image, or a logo depending on your preference. To add an image or logo, click on Insert, then Image, and upload your file from your device. This step is essential as it allows you to personalize your watermark to match your branding or message. You will see a dialog box prompting you to choose the source of your image, making it easy to find the right file. Next, right-click on the image you just inserted and select Set Image as Background. This action will place your watermark behind any other content on your slides. It ensures that your watermark remains unobtrusive while still being visible. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it guarantees that your watermark stays fixed in place across all slides. By following these steps, you have successfully added a watermark to your Google Slides presentation. This enhances your work's professionalism and helps protect your content. Remember, a watermark can add a distinctive touch to your presentations while also ensuring your material is properly credited. Thank you for watching and happy presenting!